Your deal, your way.
We are pleased to show you the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, outside temperature gauge, power brakes, braking assist, driver side remote mirror, interval wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal.
Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.